In general, a successful person set aside half of his monthly income for bills and necessities. 20% of his income should be set aside for debt repayment or savings. This leaves 30% for enjoyment. Money is a complicated topic. Everyone needs it to survive, but a lack of it can cause a lot of stress. Money is typically a major metric of success when it comes to achieving your personal and professional goals. A positive attitude towards money is important because it can reduce stress and improve your overall lifestyle and health as well. Set financial goals. When setting goals, decide what is most important to you. You must decide which goals are attainable, which will take some time, and which must be incorporated into your long-term strategy. Long-term objectives plan for major life events like buying a home, retiring comfortably, or starting a business. Short-term objectives, these can be as simple as putting money aside each month or paying off a credit card. Create a budget that brings you joy. Some budgets can be stressful. A budget is perceived as confining and restrictive, but this is not the case. A flexible budget can help you stay within your spending limits and understand your boundaries while also allowing you to indulge on a regular basis. Find inspiration to motivate yourself. Follow a few personal finance blogs that truly speak to you in order to stay inspired and brainstorm new ideas for your situation. Find some money quotes or words to live by. Memorize them and repeat them to yourself when you notice yourself thinking negatively. Shifting to a positive money mindset. Now, let's talk about how to transform a negative money mindset into a positive one. Gratitude practice. Thank God for what you have, whether it is your abilities, relationships, or possessions. Visualize financial success. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagining one's success can motivate and inspire one to act. Positive affirmations. Use affirmations like "I am capable of achieving financial abundance" or "I attract opportunities for wealth." Repetition of these affirmations on a daily basis will reprogram your unconscious mind. First save, then spend. People who have positive money attitudes and good money habits do not save at the end of their budgets. Prioritize your savings goals instead and adjust the rest of your life accordingly. Do you want to buy a house or a car, go on a dream vacation, or start an emergency fund? Then, before determining how much is left over for takeout and extra expenses, list your fixed debt obligations. Final words. It takes time, persistence, and patience to change your mindset. Taking control of your money-related thoughts and beliefs, on the other hand, positions you for a more empowered and satisfying financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and click the notification bell to never miss a new upload. As always, thank you for watching.